Okay, now I'm just going to make some flapjacks, and these are banana and apricot flapjacks. These are the healthiest ones that I've ever come across, and that's why I'm going to show you how to make them. So the first one, with your bowl, all you need is your mashed banana, and really just squash it up as much as you can in the banana peel before you take it out. Makes it a little easier. So take that out then. While I'm doing this, just my oven is heating up to 180 degrees. You'll need it a little later on. So we're just going to just mash up that banana a good bit, as much as we can. Because this is where the moisture is going to come from. Probably shouldn't be licking my lips, licking my fingers. So with your chopping board and a knife, nice sharp knife, we're going to chop 50 grams of apricots. So again, I just use dried apricots that I have soaking in water for about the last hour. So I'm going to chop these up nice and small as you can, but leaving it a little big enough so when you're biting into your flapjack you can still taste it. So small little chunks are perfect. And all we're going to do is just going to add this to the mushed banana. Takes a little while. 50 grams, not a huge amount. Nearly there now. Last couple. Just obviously when you're chopping, just be careful. The sharper the knife, the easier it is, but also the easier it is to cut yourself. So that's that. Chop apricots straight into the bowl. And again, just mix it up as much as you can. Again, when the apricots go in and you go beat it again, it'll just mush up all the banana a little bit more. It's a nice and moist mixture. Next thing, 25 grams of brown sugar or muscovado sugar. Just have it here already weighed out. That goes in. Again, just mix it up again. Make sure that's well mixed, so you don't get a big lump of sugar in your flapjack. Next thing we're going to add is 3 tablespoons of rapeseed oil. The reason we use rapeseed oil is because it's high in omega-3, 6 and 9, and higher polyunsaturated fat in it than olive oil, compared to olive oil. So we've got 3 tablespoons of that. 1, 2 and 3. Just give it a shake. Again, just going to mix it up. So really it should be a nice brown mixture at this stage. And quite liquidy. Because all we're going to add now is 100 grams of just simple porridge oats. Add that in, and again, you really need to mix this to make sure all the porridge oats are covered. Yeah, so it'll seem like a very dry mixture until you really beat it in, and then it'll all be nice and coated. Again, if you don't mix it properly, you just get lumps of dry patches of the flapjack that don't stick together at all. So again, I don't know if you can see that. That's the mixture. It's probably not a great view. I'm going to put this into a non-stick 20cm round cake tin. You can use a 17cm square tin if you have one. Little bit of olive oil if you want it, if you need it to moisten or to lubricate the pan. If not, you're fine. I'm not going to use it because again it just adds extra calories that you don't need to have. So I'm going to pour it all into my 20cm tin. Really scrape out the bowl. And just lightly press down on the mixture. Just make sure you fill the whole thing. Make sure it's nice and evenly spread. So when that's done, we're just going to pop that into the hot oven at 180 degrees for about 15 minutes. We'll check in 15 minutes, see what colour it is. It should be a nice golden brown, so we'll see what happens. And we'll see you in 15 minutes. Okay, so that's the end of our 15 minutes. So I'm just going to take it out now, have a look, see what it's like. Hopefully it's nice golden brown. Brilliant. So when we take it out, all we're going to do is just push down on the middle of it. If it's a little soft, that's good, because it'll harden up in the tin. So now that that's done, we can just leave that sit there just to cool down. I'll let you have a quick look at it there. So that's it. All nicely done. So just leave that sit and let it cool in the tray. What you want to do before it does cool is just chop it up a little bit. So you can chop it into slices because you won't be able to chop it later on. So on this one, just going to go from there. Nice sharp knife. We just chop it into good slices. And leave that cool down. Once it's cool, you can take it out, leave it on a wire rack, or put it in a tin. If you leave it in a tin, it'll last a little longer, it'll stay fresher for longer. But I'll come back once it's all out of the tin and you can see it.